today is a special day because we have the keys to the AMG GT 63S V8 bi-turbo formatting. Has a drift mode, huge amounts of power, massive wheels. It has the whole mafia look going on, if you guys remember, and it sounds absolutely amazing. Nikki, can you please give us a taste of the sound? Come on. Alright, because if you guys want the full sound, you gotta put it into a Race Plus. Am I right?
Yep,
Race Plus. Alright, give it the beans. Listen to that V8. The whole car is actually shimmying. My god, this thing is thoroughly insane. So we're gonna drive it. So I'm gonna get inside and show you guys what it's like inside. This thing has a matte paint job, by the way. Alright, Nikki, just let's see if the car raises or lowers. Okay, it's going up. Yep. When you put the car into race mode, it drops down. You guys just saw. In comfort mode, it goes back up. So that's air suspension for you. Yep. Alright, so I'm gonna get inside. Nikki is gonna join me. Alright, inside you have the superb AMG seats which really hug you in place. They are not like your typical AMG 45 wheels. Yep, that's the key. They are completely different because the bolsters are different, the side support is different, and the whole frame itself feels different. You've got obviously yellow stitching. The whole team seems to be yellow. You got stitching over here, yellow seat belt, yellow strap over here, full Alcantara wheel. You have a superb view up front. I'm not sure if the GoPro can catch it, but there is a superb head-up display with the rev counter and a speedo down there. Like, if you can see it, this should be good. Yeah, you can see it. Yep. And over here, of course, you have the full display with everything. And the steering wheel is unique. You have your dynamic select mode over here. Look at that, S+, Sport, Comfort. So when you go in Comfort, obviously the exhaust quietens down, the suspension goes up. So I'm putting it back into Race S+ for now, okay? So in S+ over here, you can also control the... You just click this, you go into Comfort for the suspension alone, back into S+ for suspension, yep. Exhaust is either on or off, so I'm gonna off it because I mean, obviously we're gonna off it. You can also do the same settings over here, guys. Look at that. You've got these custom buttons.
Stop. You got your traction.
You got your dynamic mode here.
This I think is for
this is the
manual.
transmission. Yes.
Transmission.
So I'm going to put the transmission manual, and this is in S+. I leave in S+ for now. Traction control is here, and this means off. But
Sport.
okay. This only means sport.
It's on.
This is on. Then let's see. If we hold it for a while, let's see what happens. Now it is ESP off. Okay. So last time it was ESP sport. If you click it click it for a while, it goes into ESP off. Wow. For use on race tracks only, AMG. Okay. What does this mean? I am curious. What does it mean? Oh wow. You can do drag, telemetry, options. What's options? My god.
Oh, it's really content.
Wow, you can actually choose what goes in your head-up display. Okay, this is way beyond me anyway. So in the track pace, you can set the car up for a drag, for a telemetry, track race. Wow, timing, new track. Okay, this thing is meant to go on the track, even though it's a behemoth of a car. Okay, the tail does come out. Oh Jesus, my god, this thing is mad. What in the world is this made of?
Oh, they're setting up a drag race. You want to join them? They should.
Okay, yeah, you know what? We're gonna go drag. We're gonna drag. Yeah, let's drag. Alright, somebody count it down. Okay, count it down. We're going with the G63 wagon. V8, what's a V8?
2, 1, go!
And we have rocketed off. The G63 stood no chance, although that thing could stay beside us for a while, but my god, that thing is a bloody rocket ship as well. But end of the day, the GT63S whooped ass, man. It whooped ass. That is what this thing is all about. But I gotta hand it to the G63.
Yeah.
That thing could stay with it, and the way it lifted.
Wagon, anyway.
Exactly, the way it lifted. Kudos, massive kudos to them. That's epic. And of course, you're gonna have to buy a lot of tires if you're excited, because this thing is shred. that's how you do drift mode.
Yeah.
Yeah, we smoked the fuck out of it.
Yeah, other side.
Okay, so we are about to go on a couple of hot laps in the
New GT 4
new GT 4-door. Yes, and a pro racing driver. That's right, so I'm about to feel very insecure.
You'll be fine, just fine.
Saya di seat belakang GT 63S.
We've got some serious power going on here, so this should be very
Taxi ride.
interesting.
Pandu oleh Bloomberg Professional. Yeah.
Okay, I'm not going to guarantee the GoPro is going to get all the sound, but I'm hearing a lot of it. Oh, it pops and bangs and it does everything. Braking at the 150 from 180-ish. My balls are somewhere. This would be the good time to note that this thing has rear wheel steering.
It does have rear wheel steering.
Yes, exactly.
Helps it immensely in the high speed stuff.
Look at him, he's pulling a hot lap and he's still telling me stuff about the car. Oh, you can really feel the back end work with you over there. Okay, as an experience, this is on a whole new level. Is this on carbon ceramics or steel?
Carbon ceramics.
Oh yes, no wonder the bite is so strong. Down to third before we hit the straight. From inside you can really feel that back move with you. Oh yeah. Braking 200 at 215 km/h. Oh Jesus. And we are going in, and my balls are somewhere back where they belong.
Oh no, already.
I cannot even imagine what it sounds like from the outside, man. Even from the inside, it's already insane.
Yeah, you can really hear the engine note.
My God. So we have the sports exhaust, suspensions, traction control. I'm guessing this is all full manual mode.
Yeah.
Yeah. This whole cluster is different from any other car. It's completely unique. These are the 8 individual
Yep.
selections here.
So slightly
this is
different
very-
again to the GTS GTR.
Exactly.
with the
Yeah.
dials.
Not familiar at all. Yeah.
And then they've got the adjustment on the steering wheel as well now.
Check that out. Thank you so much.
That's right, no
Thank
worries.
you so much. You're
you.
amazing.
Thanks.
Now I have to live life knowing that I don't have that much power.
That's true.
So that, boys and girls, is how you have fun. When you have this much money, you can afford something this insane. But I will hand it down to Mercedes-Benz. They have gone absolutely bonkers with the GT63S, and it is worth it. Owners will love it because that is why you buy something this insane.
I would love it if I'm not an owner.
Exactly.